In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Discord bot join and leave voice channels. We'll start by opening a command prompt or terminal. On Windows, search for command prompt. On macOS or Linux, open terminal. It's a good idea to work inside a Python virtual environment so your bot's dependencies stay clean and isolated. If you already use one, activate it now. If not, you can still follow along in your regular environment. Next, install the voice-related libraries your bot needs. The simplest route is to install discord.py with its voice extras. Run Python nmpip install udiscord.py voice. Using Python mpip ensures you're installing to the same Python that runs your bot, which avoids the classic pip versus pip through mismatch. If your environment doesn't resolve the voice extras automatically, you can install the core voice dependency directly with Python mpip install pineapple. After installation, a quick Python c import discord print discord cloud version alls can confirm discord.py is available. After that, set up FFmpeg, which is required for voice transmission and audio processing. On Windows, download a current FFmpeg build, extract it, and add the bin folder to your path so FFmpeg is available globally. On macOS, a package manager like Homebrew can install it with brew install FFmpeg. On many Linux distributions, your package manager provides it as well. Once it's installed, verify by running FFmpeg version in your terminal. Seeing version information means it's correctly on your path. If your terminal can't find it, close and reopen the terminal or double check your path setting. With the foundations ready, structure your bot's voice features using the commands extension from discord.py. This extension makes it straightforward to define clean, maintainable commands for joining and leaving voice channels. In your command handler for joining, check that the user who invoked the command is connected to a voice channel, then connect the bot to that same channel. If the bot is already connected in the guild, gracefully move it instead of creating a second connection. For leaving, call the disconnect method on the current voice client and confirm the action back to the user so they know it worked. Add simple error handling to explain common issues like attempting to join when the user isn't in a voice channel or trying to leave when the bot isn't connected. That's the full flow. Open your terminal, install the voice libraries, set up FFmpeg, and manage voice connections using the commands extension. With these pieces in place, your Discord bot will reliably join and leave voice channels on command.